How's everybody doing today? Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to install a portable air conditioner inside the convenience of your own home. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. Please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. Alright, so let me show you how to install it right now. Alright, we have our portable air conditioner here. First thing we're going to do is check out the internal water tank. See that it's empty? If there is any liquid in it, definitely drain it and place the water tank back inside the unit. Then we're going to swing around back and check out the exhaust duct. As you can see, the exhaust hose slides right onto the back of the unit. Now we can trace the hose all the way back to the window. The hose will connect directly to the window insert. As you can see, the window insert comes right out of the window sill. And the hose snaps right inside of the clip. And as you can see, we have the extender. Fill any gap there may be. There is a few inch gap there, so we're going to extend it just a few inches. Now there will be a little bit of play, but that's okay. We're going to correct that in just a moment. Okay, it's inside the windowsill. So now we're going to close the window directly onto the window hose. As you can see, there is a gap, so we're going to close the gap with some masking tape. If you're concerned with paint coming off, masking tape is perfect. It'll come right off. Also, masking tape is great for sealing up pizza boxes, but I digress. Let's plug in the unit. Here's the power button. Here's the fan. You can choose the fan speed. This button will activate the air conditioner. You can adjust the temperature. You can add a time. And this is the auto swing operation. And as you can see from the outside, the hot air blows out as the cool air blows in. And there you have it, exactly how to install a portable air conditioner right in the convenience of your own home. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troyce signing out.